Sitting high atop a hill just south of the city limits of Traverse City, the Rogers Observatory opened in 1981. Joe Rogers was an astronomy instructor at NMC and really pushed for new technology, such as a brand new celestron telescope. This was probably in the mid-70s, 1976-77. He had actually approached the Board of Trustees and let them know that we needed funding for this project. The funding for the telescope originally came from barbecue funds, which is still what we do today for special projects. And so once they had the telescope, it was advertised as supposedly, technically it could be portable, but they realized that the telescope weighing about 200 pounds, if they were to put it together and take it apart too many times, they risked damaging the telescope. And so he asked the Board of Trustees for a building that could house the telescope to keep it safe. And the Board of Trustees approved his request, but said you can't use our money for it. There was just no funding at that time. NMC was in the process of expanding and just didn't have the funds to do it. So Joe Rogers took it upon himself to launch a community campaign. So the money that built this building came 100% from donations, not taxpayer money and not NMC budget. So the building was officially dedicated in 1981, still houses our astronomy classes today. There is the telescope itself with the turret and then a classroom space to hold labs. We have about 20 viewing nights a year. And over the time that we've had the telescope here and had the observatory open, we've had over 100,000 visitors. It's a really neat spot and really the best view in Traverse City.